YouTube, it's your girl Kels, and I am back with another one, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all this look. Keep watching. So first up, I'm going to go in with my Milani Luminous Primer and place that all over my face. I do actually go in later and put a different primer on, the Becca Cosmetic Primer, just to give it a little more matte to it. But I did want a little shimmer in this look, so I chose that and the Becca. So as you guys can see, I am trying something different. I am using the Dip Brow Ulta brand, and the only reason that I am using this is definitely because my sister works for Ulta, as I told you guys before. So I'm going to give it a little shot here. Don't worry about your girl brows being a little thick, because as you can see, she gonna scope them boys out. Okay, so I did my other brow off camera. It was just giving me the blues, y'all. I really had to focus on that. But so now I'm going in with my damp beauty blender, and I'm blending all of that concealer out like such. Of course, y'all, I want to use this Revolution baking powder on top of it, just to keep that eye really matte, and so that it doesn't move. So I'm going to put it in my top here, and I'm going to use my sponge. Nope, I changed my mind. I'm going to use my my brush, and I'm going to dab that all over the lid so we can be on fleek, y'all. Yep, y'all. I already know. Going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to select that color I just showed you. And I'm going to kind of blend that all on my crease and a little bit below the brow bone, but not all the way up to the brow bone. You guys will see. I don't know how to describe it, but just keep watching, y'all. Oh my God, back at it again. Nah, just playing, y'all. But I'm gonna create a cut creasy type of ordeal, but not really a cut creasy type of ordeal, with my Too Faced concealer there. And then I'm gonna use this here brow and concealer brush, whatever you want to call it. I like it to use it for both. And I'm gonna pack that in there in a circular motion, like such. So y'all keep watching. She gonna get it together, y'all. I promise. Okay, next I'm going to go back in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this nude shade and pack that all over the lid. Okay, and with the same palette, I'm going to select this here brown shade. And I'm going in with that brown shade around that cut crease. Well, not cut crease, but, you know, in that crease area, y'all. All right. So, of course, with the same palette, I'm going to go and use that black shade there. And I'm going to go in the outer V and then bring it along the crease area. Okay, so as you guys can see, blending that black out is a bitch. When I say a bitch, girl. So I did have to unfortunately really like focus and get off camera for that as well. But you guys already know how it is blending that black out, honey. But you can't be looking stupid. So 20 hours later, I finally got that black blended, and I'm just gonna go in and add a little orange shade to kind of give it that pop, that what I'm looking for. Okay, here you'll see me use my LA Girl Pro and just kind of go under that wing just to make it look a little more scoped and delicate. I enjoy this look. I hope y'all do too. Right here, I'm going to go in with my Essence liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to go on the top of my lid like such. And of course, I apply my lashes off camera. So now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to apply that all over my face with my damp beauty blender. And y'all, I am so sorry. I do apologize that I am not really into the camera. I'm really into this mirror that is beside me. Sorry, y'all. So, yep, that beauty blender was giving me the blues. It wasn't getting what I needed it to get. So, I went in with this e.l.f. Beauty blender. Here you'll see I went in with my LA Girl Pro and Toffee and just went under my eyelids and my T-zone area. Just highlighted that just a tad bit. This color is really close in my shade, so I don't know if I want to say highlight. Just kind of add a little pop there. All right. So your girl is ready to contour that nose just a bit and kind of add some color to that face. All right, so it's time to chisel the face like I already told y'all. So I'm gonna go around that hairline and just Like I said, just darken the face a little bit. Y'all don't want to be white and powdery, y'all. But you do want to look flawless, right? Right. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to select that mauve color there, and I'm gonna place that on my cheekbones. Yes, honey. And y'all, don't ask me what this lighting doing. One thing for sure, two things for certain. I'm getting better and better each day, and I will be getting some things to improve my videos. But thank y'all for sticking with me. It's time to highlight. It's time to highlight. I thought I would like this brush, y'all, but yeah, nah, it's not doing it for me. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush. It's always good to have that old faithful. I like e.l.f. I don't care what nobody say. E.l.f. They're the real OGs, y'all, for real. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl eyeliner. Yes, I said eyeliner. There is no rules in makeup, sis. And then I'm going to use my catsuit liquid lip gloss. I don't know why they call it liquid lip gloss, whatever, but it's by Wet n Wild. How can I ever forget mascara, y'all? So I'm going to apply this mascara on the bottom lash. And y'all will put below the... Why can't I talk, y'all? I will put below the products that I used. The Old Faithful Wet n Wild setting spray. And I want to just soak that all in, y'all. Soak that all in. Just gonna give me that, y'all, that. Hold up, you don't love me like I love you. Now I'm just playing. So, how could I ever forget? This is what makes Kales Kales, y'all. I'm gonna take this little bit of glow strobe and I'm gonna place that in that tear duct area because it's me, y'all. Y'all know I do this. I do this almost every video. That's my signature, y'all. Keep watching. Did I do it or did I do it, y'all? I came to slay, honey. Thank y'all very much for watching. And I'll see you next tutorial. Bye.